What's up guys, it's me Umair. This is a week 2 of a photography class and I'm learning some photography. As you can see, everyone is having their camera Nikon and Canon. So as just this beautiful lady from Botswana is using a red Nikon camera.
And this lady from
Try to manipulate and see, can it maintain the focus?
Select this one.
So I'm really enjoying now. I'm learning about the metering mode, how to deal with the metering mode and then the focus. There are two kind of focus. One is your regular autofocus.
actually three.
There's two kind of focus. One is your regular autofocus, or another one is your fast moving action focus, such as the sport focus. So now let's try to see what they are doing here. Hello, Miss Allen. We are recording a video.
I see.
Yeah. So what we are learning today, can you tell in front of my audience?
I'm having a class.
What kind of class we are having here?
Hold on, I cannot do this right now on your camera.
And how are you enjoying it?
It's good. I like it.
So
I'm learning a lot.
So really, are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I'm learning a lot.
Oh really, that's awesome.
I feel like we should probably move on.
Can you move this way? Ready?
Yeah. Okay, go back. But maybe we should probably take a break. Here, or the face is looking this way or this way. Oh, I don't know. So the rule of thirds is very helpful. It can help you where to put the eyes, or where to put the head, or the subject of your image. That's right. So again, even though it's a family picture and even though the main subject are these people, I want the viewer to follow through because it's a nice spot. You know, it's kind of rough, rugged, so I wanted people to see what was here in the foreground, and I wanted people to see our beautiful mountains in the back. The sun was coming down, so I was thinking golden hour, and golden hour gives everybody a nice golden halo. Wheel, color wheel, Google it. Opposing colors, blue and yellow, green and red, and something else. They're good combinations. So yellow and blue, it's just more beautiful to your eye.